Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Openi Peace FM suni ya mwachi.
Now, Major so member with team 4 so actually no pay.
Na apomu e openi.
Oh, nyame adom now so e.
Ehu adom yeso ye ho ye pa.
Nyame ase.
Na reshuffle ba.
And o man pani na ebe.
Wanti ho ankyere kakra kra.
O man pani ebe.
Sa.
Chairman de oka openi na no asem ni trimu asem.
Ti o ba o hwe sign na ekoso ofikesie mu no a bibi sa betimi aba ho.
On kan bibia no tumi kan bibia.
Yo, yati. Oh, why baba, ebeti. Yo. Anope ye fra wa boko enra debate anamo ye e wo mra hyebadwam se yemfa fam musika enkoye free SHS ana ma yemfa enko ye na eno ena domkuma no kire se da bi enisa mo ye saade no mo so mo se enke laudable project ana idea se ye de fam musika ebekọ akohwe free SHS pacho abaiti mu popa efa sa asem no ho ene se
kana medase mamin ko yeti kakra na yenyina yensua bibi kakra bi wo na debate course for parliament no Ghana emra aya sese ai bi ni the friend Petroleum Revenue Management Act no ekre ekwaya petro sika na na se fango sika no yenhwe so na ese afie bia na wo se finance minister a report at the parliament say Ghana fangu ni na ikambu ma sika afie no mu yensaka ye no say na they are sika no so any and this our report on the finance minister they to parliament say be afie twemi against the end of last year or the first one buyer if you see a film in March or the second one buyer and na parliament I am pension we are ye budget report na two na pension muno and a koba say wo hwe your fan go sika afie 2018 yen saka ya emu be fa na fa na etire kakra ye de hwe Ghana nkwala wo school free SHS eno na yenu anum dom kuma original na so say ye ne saa ya nya de na omadwen ne say fan wo sika no eni say sebe ye di tua nkwala school fees ana say ye de free SHS no moment ase ne say fan wo sika no yemfensisi adan enfenye ka kwan fenye bibi fufro ochile bi bo ba be husisi ho no de ne sa kire so say fan wo sika no eno ne DC dan we sisi ho e won e se trom say da bi eno me ya bi enye indi kan no emre bia nchitiri aban bia say on fasika no nye eya na bi enti o kan emra ni enema du ni bia o se utumi eyi mu bia na wo de fan wo sika no afre na wo de aye emu bi eni say wo de be hwe enema your friend goods and service and service delivery ewo nkwala sukukum ebi to me impuntu juma aban wi etu jinaya na se jinaya se e wo se Ghana ni akwala bia emfa ho bebi owo e wo se fan wo na yenya no onye ho mfa so ni ade edikan de tosu ni so ne se aban wo yenti ase ne se ejapade esombo pa wo de ja wo ma sebe enye dan anaka ana se BBC ho nemu se wahwa kwala no mona ko mani trimu abobel amana jam pempenso bia o kire bi woni hokora ono ankasa betumi ahwe no ho ahwe na busua ahwe bebia o treatment the friend community ana ne man nti aban decide say fan musika no ye de emu kase na be half of a little over half no about 2018 no ye de hwe Ghana nkwala e wo school I may me actually SHS fees in Naramankwalai because wanted that they are promo say the school fees in TI. Akwalai or take crash be and can and your free SHS and can send a put your poor at the Busia Kukusia one. And then Aqualano to me cool son say, or my parent, ama yet to an amount a young Fafa Musica in Tiana school fees, a man uncle. In Tia dear, Yentia CPC and say. the here pa japade kese pa betumi am de amagana for kwala aye se kwala ibe ku school do mpempe so bra no ene yesi mo kena ye ndi nuanom asemo mo ka se there be my spend this escano and kwala go school you know me adwen a eni eno ne debate kese no a course for parliament you here na speaker put the question no sent report me just man na yen you no so do na report me to man say report no ya me fan say ya test report no o parliament na ye course no so no ade o man peni die si na ni so be hwese Ghana nkwala bitumi akọ free no bi enya be bi na da ache no ai ni se no ya de sumbuma esanse ya pade kese ma da ache ma no e be ko se me kisho se musika no obi ansa be kanede
me ba jo fam musika no emu de hen ne ken heritage fund ana
there be any heritage fund unse fam musika no say yen saka ba last year de na be 900 million ye chimu be mienu fa ba ko e ko GMPC ho say omon fan to fan wo from empe fan musika from bra e fa na to fu mienu no eno na ye chimu mienu a ne fa ko de friend no annual budget funding amount ne fa na ka no so ne ko de friend no petroleum holding funds no ibi ni heritage fund and stabilization fund says can no be amfani sanka de hono wo de petroleum holding funds are am running to say yem friend konkoto na yinya ho nsi ho ne yakwakoto ho ne mom annual budget funding amount no eno na mrane say you need money na fa says can shim enema nine no e wo ba kwa yen no because the mu be fa be 50% plus cohort and no me infrastructure and service delivery and education free as can be yeah this is kind of area and what it means this will be a better here.
I see. And it is say no and tiasia ye nya free mu and say free SHS na ye no e fan musika ne bi ene ye de bo ho bra
no correct ye de say can be e bon bra but say can as ye be niema nka in America say pay half a little over half of annual budget funding amount no and yet the heritage fund and stabilization fund and the cohort that amra that one cohort that and yet the GMPC no they are say afi bi ayem fa kakran share get ni mu no and no na a little over half of that no ye dey aboa free SHS kan esan say senior omampani ha training senior buy ni ya adwen no e wo say fan wo no Ghana ni bi enya ho faso senior wo zabu wo tatali wo him fan wo nya ho faso a eyi na kwan ono afaso e dey en say e japade e fun bo pa e bitumi dey ja e busie bia na kwala bia wo Ghana ene say ye behwe mana kusuku wonya nimdeye ejira ne na so wo so daache bi no obetumi ahwe no ho ahwe ne busie ahwe ne man and untina annual budget funding amount no e mu be e funny free kakra no ye de epia ohe emrana o say infrastructure and service delivery education into school dan kakra UCC and nema bi mo ba ka kakra education and sana free SHS school fees no kani na bo na obenya o sa akoromo
yes free SHS I say 2017-18 academic year 2018-19 so about 1920 ena ye ba be sha sie ye share free SHS national ana ye de fa music ana ya na se ye sha sie no ye first ka free ba bi e kire ansa na ye de fa music e be so so
in fact no I say sa se mu di o parliament because na ini alom dom kuma for no person mo kire say na ye nim be bia e be nyes kanefi enti yintu min ka say a policy decision say the EBF ni bi na be Fitima is actually 2017 day bano. My records are many quite clearly say baby she can hear feel on ABF finale near the ISA man. It's fine and test of the was a this she can a year the boy a trimmer. Into the honor and if you are seeing you can see in Kakanka at the ISA man. Over Kaya 2008 started both races with him. Na area no dem kuma for na the maximum can say nya dia ye be ye can fanya that but fit your by ABF allocation no e ho na ye hwe ye de adwuma no kaka
enti se sia de achinye bia ni ba bia biom se Your both free SHS on bra, a farm musica.
Okay, and a home for so why you say Ghana Binya Bay and Fiend and Feed do a chinosono. It's in Yabiano, San Kuala, and there, go through senior high school, education minister, or be a tertiary system, no so money, this when you're buying tertiary, money technical education, you've been acquainted with honor. Almost the don't be that on their born mine. It's in Yabiano.
Na dom kuma na okase enka mo mfa nye free SHS mo mfa nye bibi fufura so be ba mfa so ama oman ni nyina debate no mo no omo kire mo nema ba ko mienu bi a na nka omo susu se ye de fa ngo sika ne ya anka so be ba mfa so ama Ghana nyina
omo de omo sema ne se e wo se in fact edu baby ne crampo na emra na da ho no omo kire emra ni mu differently ma Mr. Speaker crampo won kokko se eno ye omo ntiase and this one can say Amrana because Amrana say public investment expenditure. Yanka say infrastructure. I say public investment expenditure. And then in said what is you can estimate which means a one you have to do be brave. And on a young team say so this you can etia Ghana kwalam pim school fees. No munya kwan ku school no omunya ni Omutrumu Ebobiwa, and no almost no that she been only that by the friend of productivity. At the Abua Ghana mine and Ghana mine and Casasi can you put to a picture. Or more assembly say, Omodianka, almost escano, infancy are dying, yem near a coin, and I am fairly before. Now, yet, say, Ofan to say are dying in education poor, would the infant are dying in education poor. You are quite who do you to me. Isi attain education. Isi say you would see kako si school time. Na school time is you na me buy ni school fees or be kwa. Said the nyado. Umwai. Dani de wasi ni si ho. But ye kwa enye ye. Emo mo di sitano etua me ba no school fees or kwa na di tia kwala no fi. Ofo ase tro baby school fees say. Ebu ma me na papa ni bi nti e di tia school fees ko. Now, Papa, for issue a dynasty was listening and they get fund. I said, now what you be back on me in social media. A diamond who are a young woman. Yet in informing a dinner about the 12 you get fund in your 500 million and many out of 1.5 billion. So, almost a time no more than a when as I don't say, what's for problems meaning a dynasty if you also know the anchor. Or some say are not maintain but only quite school. What's I am no scholarship and aqualano to me eco school. Into your moment of my country, emphasis can go to Diana. You were quite for phrase, Diana. Name Musicano, Yemiki shows the gun and Yaqualabia to keep young for so upright, the fact that you are school fees no more common.
I don't pay Yadoasi, be actually arguing about Samba Honey no other drink. Also for share amanebo ensem so kwadwo opon kroma ofo sia yire bi emrahye bedwani na yene no ekasa ye no
Peace FM 104.3 Wood to me take